Good morning, everybody. Holistic Travel Guy here in Middleburg, Virginia. Beautiful, cute little downtown area. Down this street over here is the Middleburg Museum. And here comes all the bikers doing their weekend bike tour. The Middleburg Farmers Market is also down that side street. And here's a Sotheby's Realtor. That's where the Middleburg Museum is. Little tiny little brick building. Here's the Red Fox Inn. And right across the street is the King Street Oyster Bar. So yeah, it's a really cute place to walk around on a weekend. Even though it's cloudy, it's not expected to rain until later tonight. So we just came from the market and bought our peaches and our apples. And now we're heading down this way to look for a bakery. There was no bakery at the market, so we're told that there's 2 bakeries in town, and that's where we're heading to next. So we'll see you down there at the bakery.